Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare canned meat using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety by carefully inspecting the can for any signs of damage or bulging before you even think about opening it. Next, use a clean can opener to avoid introducing any unwanted elements into your food. Once opened, it is often best to drain any excess liquid from the meat. This simple step can significantly improve the overall texture and flavor of your meal, making it much more enjoyable to eat. Now, let's talk about quick heating. You can gently warm your canned meat on the stovetop over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it is heated through. Alternatively, for a super-fast option, microwave the meat in a microwave-safe dish for about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your microwave's power. Always make sure the meat reaches an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal safety and enjoyment. To elevate the taste of your canned meat, consider adding some simple flavor boosters. A pinch of your favorite herbs and spices, such as garlic powder, onion powder, or paprika, can make a big difference. You can also incorporate diced vegetables like onions, bell peppers, or celery for added texture and freshness. For an extra kick, stir in about 1 tablespoon of a sauce like barbecue sauce, hot sauce, or even a dash of soy sauce. Finally, let's explore some easy serving ideas for your prepared canned meat. It pairs wonderfully over a bed of fluffy rice, warm pasta, or creamy mashed potatoes for a complete meal. You can also use it to create a quick and satisfying sandwich or wrap, perfect for a lunch on the go. For breakfast or a light dinner, try mixing the meat into scrambled eggs or a simple vegetable stir-fry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.